I have been discussing on ethical practices in business, in many products that we consume in our country here in Nigeria. And it was as if something that happened today that is like a prophecy to what I've been discussing in some of my videos. Look at, I've always said that unethical practices cannot make us as a people to become people that will create products and services that will compete globally. Because any product that we create is not just for us alone. The world today, whatever you create goes to about 7 billion people that are on the planet Earth. In other words, you can draw markets from any part of the world to any product or a service that commands attention and somebody may demand for it. So the best must be given to customers because value is exchange, money is exchange. Customers expect the best of products or service. They want satisfaction. Customers, they want satisfaction. They want the best of service. So all unethical practices must be avoided if we must build a strong and a varied nation. Look at this. This is a product, picnic. This is something I opened this morning to use for my pap. And I opened it. Instead of liquid coming out, what came out was it's completely blocked. Look at this, is just ordinary water that you see is dropping from it. It's completely blocked. It's like butter. It's fully coagulated. Only God knows the kind of substance they use here. Look at all of those things. I'll be consuming these products, but this is the first time I'm experiencing this. I've consumed, I can't count the number of cartons I've consumed these products. Look at it. Take a look at it. Why would somebody drink something like this? Only God knows what happened. I've been very sick for a week plus now. Probably this is the cause. I don't know. Because I drink it almost every day. Look at it. Almost in a week there is, if I don't drink at least, I will drink at least 4 of this every week. But take a look at this. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at the inside. See picnic. Look at it. As if it's butter. This is what we're saying. That we must pay attention to quality products. Researching to making sure that there is quality control and quality assurance of the product. If a product like this will have a name, this pick it has been there from childhood. I grew up to meet this product. In the 21st century, look at what I'm saying. In a product like this, it's very unfortunate. Look at it. It's a brand name. This is Picnic. That is judged to be the best. Judged to be the best of meat. If it can be like this, then what can we serve other products, similar products in the market? Only God knows. Look at. This is very, very unfortunate. And calling on regulatory agency, NAFDAC especially, you have to visit these people and check, if possible, seize their license and recertify them if they must come back to the market. Because this kind of people, for them to be producing products like this, for people to meet, they have compromised their integrity. Their integrity have been highly compromised in a bid to make money. So now they just miss all kinds of things and seal it up for people to buy. There must be a change.